point you'd have to say, my God, here we are, taking taxpayer money and trying to stimulate the economy, Scott Hall, and we have basically said, well, we're going to stimulate Germany's economy.
It's a crime, because you have the stimulus bill, you have all these defense contracts. We've had a Buy America law since the 1930s, but it's been diluted, not just by Republicans, but by Democrats as well. And we had to fight like crazy to get limited Buy America provisions in the stimulus bill. But still, in addition to what Dave's talking about, which I think is a crime, I think it's ridiculous that we should be sending tax dollars to Dusseldorf when we can keep them in Youngstown and create some jobs. But we're gonna have a wind farm built in Texas, made out of wind turbines that are not coming from anywhere in the United States, but they're coming from China with tax dollars. Is that a crazy policy or what? But both Democrats and Republicans say to us, well, we can't do that under WTO rules.
Right.
But the truth is we can. Other countries do it. China doesn't let us bid on things.
Right.
Germany doesn't let us bid on things. You know, we had a Cash for Clunkers program that we opened up to every automobile in the world. We were virtually the only country that did that.
We stimulated Japan's economy very well, didn't we?
We did a great job.
Yeah. John Russo.